There are many different apps available today that let you read the Holy Quran on your phone, each offering a range of features and reading options. However, there is only one app that allows you to view the Quran in its complete, full-page layout, just like you see here on these single-fold phones, providing a more authentic and traditional reading experience. And now, with the recent advent of dual-fold phones, you can view a Quran page with truly unprecedented clarity and sharpness, making the sacred text easier to read and appreciate than ever before. The Quran page here is larger and brighter than those traditional paper mushaf, so the page is larger and the brightness is stronger. And even better, when you view the page in landscape mode, you can see the Quran with unmatched clarity, as if the mushaf page is really this big. Download the Quran University app and benefit from its use of the latest technology to serve the Holy Quran. Download now.